In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default save location in Microsoft Word. This is a handy trick that can streamline your workflow and ensure your documents are saved exactly where you want them. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Word. Once it's up and running, look towards the top left-hand corner of the screen where you'll see the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a menu that gives you a variety of options related to your document management. Here, we want to navigate to Options, which you'll find towards the bottom of the list. Click on that, and it will bring up the Word Options window. In the Word Options window, you have a sidebar on the left. Among the various categories available, choose Save. This section is crucial because it contains all the settings related to saving your documents, making it the perfect place to set a default save location that suits you. As you look through the Save Documents section, keep an eye out for a field labeled Default Local File Location or something similar. This is where the magic happens. Next to this field, you'll see a button that says Browse. Click on that, and a new window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer and select the folder where you want all your future Word documents to be saved by default. This is especially useful if you like to keep your documents organized in specific folders, or if you're working on a large project that requires all files in one location. Once you've navigated to and selected your preferred folder, click OK. This action confirms your selection and sets the location as the new default for saving Word documents. Now, every time you go to save a file, Word will automatically direct you to this folder, saving you time and keeping your files organized. To wrap everything up, click OK once more to exit the Word Options window. And there you have it. You've successfully set a default file save location in Microsoft Word. As you follow these steps, keep in mind that you can always go back and change the location if you decide to organize your files differently in the future. Adjusting setting preferences like these can significantly improve your efficiency, especially if you routinely work with documents or need to quickly access them from a specific location. That's all there is to it. It's a small tweak that can make a big difference in your day-to-day use of Word. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tips to make your digital life easier.